Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to search for a file in Gmail Spaces on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've ever found yourself struggling to locate a specific file, don't worry, this guide will walk you through it, step by step. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing all the features you'll need. Once you're in Gmail, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This is your gateway to various Google services. Click on those dots to open the Apps menu. In this menu, select Chats. This will take you to the chat interface, where you can manage your conversations and find your spaces. Now, turn your attention to the left side menu and click on Spaces. This option will lead you to all the different spaces you're part of, allowing you to explore discussions and shared content. Next, enter the specific space where you believe the file is located. Once you're in that space, look for the search icon at the top of the window. It usually looks like a magnifying glass. Click on that search icon, and a search bar will appear. Now, type in the keywords related to the file you're trying to find. Whether it's the name of the file or any relevant context, enter it into the search bar and press Enter. Within moments, you'll see results displaying any messages or files that contain your search term. This feature makes it super easy to pinpoint important documents without having to scroll through endless conversations. And that's it. You've now learned how to efficiently search for a file in Gmail Spaces. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering your digital tools.